When you're working in Affinity, you'll interact a lot with the toolbar at the top called the Context Toolbar. This toolbar shows relevant commands and options based on the tool you currently selected, so it changes every time you switch tools. However, in some cases, the Context Toolbar can become undocked from its position or even disappear completely. If you are experiencing any of these issues, here are a few quick fixes. First, the Context Toolbar can become undocked if you double-click on it. When this happens, it floats freely, like this. To dock it back, just double-click on it again. Or go to the View menu at the top, choose Context Toolbar, and then select Dock. Next, if your Context Toolbar disappears entirely, here's how to bring it back. Go to the View menu, select Context Toolbar, and click Show. Then your Context Toolbar will show up. If you click on it again, the toolbar will be hidden. So make sure it's set to show to keep it visible. You can also snap the Context Toolbar to anchored positions around your document. To do this, first undock the Context Toolbar, then drag it over your document area. You'll be able to snap it to the top center, bottom center, or to the corners, wherever works best for you. And that's pretty much it. I hope this helps you fix undocked or missing Context Toolbar issues. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!